I'm just heating up my Stirling engine to test it. I've wired it to these light poles. I've wired it to a light that I've sort of made from parts of other lights under here. And also under the table, wired to these street lamps. All of them are LED, so one is hoping that it's going to work. It's not really dark enough in here, but cool, so it's going to work. So when it's completely dark in here, my engine is going to run all the lights, the street lights, and the light in the bridge, while the steam engine, of course, will be steaming. I have on order a Wilesco steam-powered electric generation plant, and when that's installed, it's going to light the lights in the buildings. The idea of this railway is there's no electrical power to it at all. Everything on it's going to be run by either a hot air engine, a steam engine, electric generation plant, and all the trains on it will operate only by live steam, because I have another live steam engine coming. I've dispensed my original idea of having Lego buildings on here as well, partly because I needed to clear space to put the power plant, and it's quite big, and partly because steam oil sputters out of the locomotives, and everything that's on here now is easier to clean.